Hi everyone, welcome back to Sammy's Talk. I hope you all are doing well, and also I hope that you're enjoying your holidays. And speaking about holidays, since it's free time, why not try something new and healthy? So today I'm going to show you my own version of a veg sandwich. Let's begin. So the ingredients we need are 2 slices of bread, and few cucumber slices, tomato slices, onion slices, chili powder, some salt, and mayonnaise. And of course, we need a sandwich maker. So first take 1 slice of bread and place the slices of vegetables. You can place how much ever you like, but I'm placing 3 as per my taste. 3 each. So next I'm gonna sprinkle some salt. It's as per your taste. And then some chili powder. And also you can butter it if you like, but I don't want to. Now let's close it with another slice of bread. So I have prepared 2 sets of sandwiches. Let's place it in the sandwich maker. And now we have to wait for it to cook. And also remember that you can cook how much ever long you want to, but preferably it is 3 to 5 minutes. So guys, now the sandwich is ready. Let's see how it's cooked inside. Wow, yummy, mouth-watering. Now let's apply the mayo. You can apply how much ever you wish to, but I apply moderately. Not too much, not too low. So now the sandwich is almost ready. Let's close it now. And I'm gonna cut it. So now you can enjoy it.